Hello everyone. Today I have received a very interesting query. Very interesting query. Okay, so the query is, why YouTube is flooded with so many videos which talk about how to avoid the word very? So the question is, why do we need to get rid of this word? Second, how do I memorize so many words? I really liked your query, so here goes my answer. First, the word very is an intensifier. Intensifiers are used to strengthen the expression of your sentence. For example, I am very happy today. I am elated today. Now here, when the person is saying very happy, we don't know exactly how happy the person is. Why? Because very is an intensifier. Intensifiers can strengthen, but intensifiers don't reveal the real meaning of any word. When I say elated, a person can understand what is the level of my happiness. So we can use intensifiers, there is no problem in that. But if you want to actually show the real meaning, if you want to tell what is your actual expression, then you should avoid usage of the word very. I will give you two more examples. Scenario 1, I am very tired. Scenario 2, I am exhausted. Scenario 1, it's very cold today. Scenario 2, it's freezing today. Now you tell me which of the scenarios sound better. I'm sure the second one. Why? Because when I say I'm exhausted or it's freezing today, the person will automatically understand that how cold the weather is or how tired the person is. That is why we should try to avoid the usage of this word, very. Okay, now the second question, how should I memorize so many words? So my answer is, it's not possible. Don't set unrealistic, inhuman goals for you. You will be disappointed. Nothing else will happen. There may be multiple videos telling you that you can learn 100 words or 1000 words. But seriously, you tell me, how many of those words are you able to apply in your real life? 1, 2, maybe 5? That's it. What's the point then? Now my tip, make a list of those words which you use frequently with very. For example, you receive a message from your friend. Your friend asks you, shall we meet today? Now you are replying, oh, I'm very busy. Now, instead of writing very busy, check that what is the word which can replace this. You will get the answer. I am swamped. SWAMPET. Only learn those words which you use frequently in your writing. Start with this, then go to the next level. Okay? I have also prepared a list for you, a very short list, brief list, where I have written the most frequently used words. You can note down your words from here, or you can make a list of your own. But don't try to remember all the 1000 words given. Okay? So here goes my list. Very old, ancient, very beautiful, gorgeous, very happy, elated, very sad, gloomy, very tensed, stressed out, very short, brief, very excited, thrilled. Very intelligent, genius. Very funny, hilarious. Very good, excellent. Very bad, awful. Very creative, innovative. Very expensive, costly. Very boring, dull. Very busy, swamped. I hope I have solved your query. In case you also have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help. Thank you. This is Anushree signing off.